Hi friends, once again welcome back all to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you making of our hair pack, I mean a henna hair pack at home itself. So with the you can with the simple information about how to make and if you make in what model, what kind of color you will get with this henna pack. With that information, I just made this video for the benefit of all the viewers. So hope you all will like this video. If you like the video, don't forget to share this with your family and friends. And before getting to the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell button. So here, whenever you plan to put this henna pack before day itself, you have to plan this, and the night we have to just I have taken around 2 glasses of water here. In that, I added 2 spoons of normal tea powder, whichever we use at our home, and 1/4 tablespoon of coffee powder. This coffee powder actually adds very good color to your hair. Color in the sense, usually henna will normally gives red color. So this coffee powder makes it into a kind of a copper color. So to make sure it will give extra nourishing and in the copper shade, we have to add this coffee powder. So you try to add this once, twice, you will get you can able to notice the change. So once the water gets into boiling, 2 to 3 minutes allow it to boil nicely so that all that essence of tea and coffee powder will come out to the water. Then you have to strain it out like this. So once to strain out before adding, I mean mixing the henna powder, let it you can allow it to cool down. See, even you can use the hot water also. Both will give different results actually. If you use a hot decoction, it will give other results. Cold decoction, another results. And the left out tea powder, you can keep it aside because when you are using it to mix the powder, if at all water is not sufficient, then once again you can boil a glass of water through that left out. So now in the bowl, I have taken the henna powder, you can see. So henna powder you can take as like sufficient to your hair quantity. So slowly add this decoction water and give a nice mix to it. See that you will give a lumps free mixing and you can make a very kind of a thick paste out of it, because again the next day morning before applying we will be adding another 2 3 ingredients to this henna. That's why you have to make it little thicker than the necessity when I mean necessary kind of texture. And as I mentioned, if you add the decoction with the hot itself, I mean with the more temperature itself, then it will give you more copper color shade. When you add it little cool down, like when that temperature comes down to the room temperature and then you give a mix, then it will give you a kind of a normal red color of henna. So that's why you can choose that. But this color persistences you will get to know only after the usage of 5 to 6, like 5 to 6 times after application. So like this, you have to mix well and keep it in the refrigerator overnight. So you can make out a very thick kind of henna mix I made. See like this. So this we have to keep overnight the refrigerator, or else even you can keep outside also, that doesn't matter. So like this. So the next day morning when you are going to apply this to the hair, we have to add another 2 to 3 products to it. I will go on listing out and telling you all the products now. See the semi thick kind of a henna powder here. And one more thing, make sure you should have a dry hair. See, initially first I am adding the egg white. This will act as very good conditioner to our hair. Then I am squeezing half lemon. So this lemon actually like address your problems of scalp problems like fungus or any bacterial kind of a problems. Then I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd. Curd actually gives you very soft and like it reduces the split and hair also. And finally, fourth ingredients, I am adding 1 tablespoon of normal hair oil. Whatever hair oil you usually use, that the same hair oil I am adding here. This hair oil actually it will act at present the situation like whenever you are keeping some hair pack, so usually our hairs will broke when we are applying with the glosses and all, it usually tend to broke, split ends will come. So to avoid that problem, we have to add 1 tablespoons of oil. So this oil addition is not mandatory, it is an optional. So that's it, our hair pack is ready. So you can slowly apply like part to part from the scalp to till the tip of the hair, and just tie it properly, and then you leave it for an hour, and then take a lukewarm water wash, and don't apply any shampoo on the same day. The next day you can again wash it with the shampoo. So that's how. Hope this video will be helpful to you all. Definitely give a trial, and don't forget to mention your comments in our comment section, and don't forget to subscribe the channel also. Thank you so much for watching.